Hi guys, it's Kenya. You know that I love doing everything which is creative, and that's why today's video is gonna be completely different than the previous ones. I will be teaching you how to make bobbin lace earrings. I'm here with my friend Gosia, and she will be teaching me the old traditional way of making it with some modern twists. She has made hundreds of jewelry this way, and her work has been exhibited internationally every year. So, congrats. Thank you. Let me show you the things we will need to make the earrings, and then we will both explain you the whole process. The things you need to make your earrings is your design, then a pattern, wooden bobbins, pins, thread, another thread of your choice, wire, scissors, and some beads to decorate. And the most important, the pillow, which is different in every country where the laces are made. I'm using a round one, which is typical for Poland. The first step is to wind the bobbins. We have 12 of those. And interesting fact, in Polish traditions, we wind the bobbins clockwise, and in English one, it's opposite. Next step is to pin the pattern.
Cross, twist, cross.
Okay. See, Gosia is constantly helping me, but I'm getting better. First, it might seem very difficult, especially when she was showing me that like super fast, but it's actually doable. Now we're finishing the pattern by doing knots on the end. The final step is to cut the thread. Ta-da! Unfortunately, I didn't manage to record everything yesterday, but I actually made my own earrings, and this is the outcome. I hope you found this video interesting and you learned something new. If you want to know more about bobbin lace technique, you can directly message Gosia on her Instagram, which I'm gonna put just here, or sign up for her workshop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.